discussion, real-time use cases, and interview-ready concepts. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a secondary ledger in Oracle Fusion Financials. We will cover what is a secondary ledger, why and when we use it, step-by-step creation process, key configuration points you should never miss. By the end of this video, you will have a complete practical understanding that helps both in projects as well as in interviews. In reporting currency, what we have done, basically, India team has requested us to send all the reports in their currency. So that is the reason why we have created reporting ledger to report all the balances from USD currency to that foreign currency INR. So in the same way, if they are having any requirement to change the segments, say for example, in our segments, there are 6 values: company, department, accounts, like that. There are 6 segments, but they want to have only 2 segments for reporting, or else they are having change in calendar, accounting calendar, or else they are having change in currency. So in that case, we will use secondary ledger. Now, first we will understand how to define fiscal year calendar, or you can create accounting calendar. Previously, we have created fiscal year calendar, so I'm not creating the calendar, I am assigning the calendar which I have created earlier. So we will create secondary ledgers. Go to the task called manage secondary ledgers, click on your username, click on setup and maintenance. Now set up financials, search for the task called manage secondary ledgers, hit search, open the make sure that in the scope section it is pointing to your primary ledger. Open the task, click on create button or plus icon. Now here you can see the primary ledger details. Now if you see, the name is ERPZEN PL, ERPZEN primary ledger. You can see our chart of account structure instance, accounting calendar, currency and accounting method. Now we will create secondary ledger, ERPZEN secondary ledger. Let's say for India. And description, I want to go with the same. Take the same chart of accounts, ERPZEN COA structure instance. Here I want to report all the balances in different calendar. Take ERPZEN physical year calendar. Now currency, you can take the same currency as USD, or else you can also change the currency. Take INR as an example, Indian rupee. Now data conversion, I want to go with general. Accounting method is optional, so I have left it blank. Now say save and close. Here we have created the secondary ledger. Now specify ledger options. Secondary ledger, select and add, apply and go to task. Select the record and click on save and close. Here specify the retained earnings account. Now say save and close. Now we'll complete the mapping of chart of accounts. Hit search, Click on Manage Chart of Accounts Mappings. Click on Create button to create mapping. Now say ERPZEN COA mapping. Here, select the target chart of accounts, ERPZEN. Here, select the source one, ERPZEN. Since we are not creating any segments, if you are having a different chart of accounts with 2 or 3 segments, only those will appear. Since the target and source are same, we are finding so many values here, all the values. Now say assign mapping method as copy value from source and source segment is company. Now here department, say department copy value from source, department. Now account copy value from source, account. Now product copy value from source, product. Now location copy value from source, location. Now future one copy value from source, future one, and future two copy value from source, future two. Click on save and close. Click on done. Now submit, review and submit accounting configuration. Hit search, review and submit accounting configuration. And here we can see our secondary ledger. Now say submit. After creating mapping, we have to do this. Click on cancel. Now we'll create the mapping. Complete primary to secondary ledger mapping. Open the task. You can see our primary ledger, our secondary ledger, and select your chart of accounts, ERPZEN COA mapping, and click on save. And default conversion rate type set as corporate. Click on save, save and close, say yes. Now submit, review and submit accounting configuration. Hit search, review and submit accounting configuration. Yeah, it was completed. Now say submit. Yeah, it was successfully completed. Search for the task called manage data access set, data access for users. Hit search, manage data access set, data access for users. Click on create button. Say search for your username. Username is ERPZEN. Hit search, select the record and click on OK. Now the role general accountant, data access set, and here make sure you select our secondary ledger, ERPZEN, India secondary ledger. Click on duplicate. Now assign general accounting manager role, data access set, ERPZEN, India secondary ledger. Now hit save and close. Now click on navigator, click on tools, click on scheduled processes, click on schedule new process, run LDAP, retrieve latest LDAP changes, select the record and click on OK. Click on OK, click on submit. Now sign out and sign in. Let's check open secondary ledger periods. Click on navigator, click on general accounting, click on period close. Now here change the ledger to secondary ledger, ERPZEN, India secondary ledger. Now click on OK. Click on general ledger never opened status. Click on OK. Click on yes. Yeah, the period got opened. Now click on actions, open target period. Now I want to open up until May. Click on open. Say yes. Click on refresh. We can see all the periods are open. 24, 25, 26. Yeah, the periods are open up until May. Now let's check the exchange periods. Since we are transacting in foreign currency, click on setup and maintenance. Make sure that the setup is financials. Now search for the task called manage daily rates. Hit search. Click on manage daily rate task. Click on daily rates. Now from currency, I want to go with US, and to currency INR, I want to check for April, April 24, and the type is corporate. Yes, the exchange rates are available. 80, yeah, set done. Now we will book a general entry in primary ledger and we will see whether it has posted in secondary ledger. Click on navigator, click on general accounting, click on journals and change the data access set to our primary ledger, ERPZEN primary ledger, hit OK. Click on task list or task pane. Now click on create journal. Secondary ledger, same, secondary ledger, general, secondary ledger, category. I'll go with a category called accrual. Now select the accounting code combination. I want to go with general expenses. Can search general expenses. Hit search. Select the GL account code combination or string. Click on OK button. Say $200 and the same will take cash account, cash account, hit search, select the record and click on OK. Make sure that the debit and credit are equal. Now I'll take April 26, say save and post. System has submitted the posts. Now hit refresh. Now we can see the journal has been posted to primary ledger. Now let's check whether it is there in secondary ledger. Same path. Click on navigator. Click on general accounting. Click on generals. Now here, make sure that you are changing the data access to our secondary ledger. Select the secondary ledger and click on OK. Click on task list or task pane. Now click on manage journals. Now the period is April 2026. Hit search. See, it was successfully created and we can see the accounted debit and credit amounts as well. Since while creating, we have given INR as the currency. All for today. Now you know how to create and use a secondary ledger in Oracle Fusion step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. See you in the next video.